Hi, this is the unboxing of the Samsung microwave oven. I will try to make it short. You can see the packing here. I have ordered through Amazon and they had delivered in 2-3 days time. And this is the model number MG402MADXBB. It is priced not heavily. It's around $100 plus, which can be used for a normal household use, not for extensive cake making, or mostly we use for warming the food, or maybe for boiling, or maybe for warming up the coffee or the tea. You can see the packing inside, very nice packing with thermocol topping. And I just removed the glass base, which was quite heavy, and the device is quite heavy. I think around a net weight of around 19.8 kg, so stable. So I am going to unbox the Samsung microwave. The exact model number I will tell. So before that, let me just remove the plastic covering. So it has a mirror lid finish. Yes. And then there is again a plastic surface we can remove. Kind of like this. Then here is some, again, the plastic coating. Then there is one more here. I'll just show you that. Yeah, you can see here there is a grill, and can you switch on the light? Is there a flash on? No. Okay, it's fine. Then it has the push button. So pull this open. Be a bit careful opening that. Remove these plastic covers. And you can see some stuff inside, where you have the manual. This is the certificate of warranty, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. And this is the booklet, and it shows the, it's in some other language, I don't know which language it is. The model number also, let me just check. What is the model number? Yeah, this is the model number, MG402MADXBB. DXB stands for Dubai, I don't know. It's an English owner's manual with cooking guide. Then you have set of stands here. You can see the stand for the grill option. Then these are some other manufacturer details, some QR codes. There is a plastic cover kept inside for the safety. Then you have this, again it is also pasted here. I had to remove, or I had to cut it like this. So this rotating ring is there. So we will start switching on the device, this microwave. First let me just keep this ring inside. I think both the sides are same. Just keep it here. Then this is the glass tray. Since it's a 40-liter microwave, this you can place a bigger one. It's kind of, yeah, I think it's okay. Then you can see there is a mirror fit, and then if you look at the sides, you can see here. Then I can remove this option. So mode. Then there must be some specification here. You can see the model number, and I think it works with between a power range of 900 to 1300 watts, which is a little bit high power consumption. And you can see the electronics behind the device. This is the plug to switch it on. So let me just turn it around. Black finish. And another important thing is the ceramic inside, which is good for killing the bacteria they claim. It has quite good space. So let me just switch on the microwave and we'll just heat it. So you can see the display here. There is one grill is also there. So if you look at on the top here, there's a grill for making the grills. Let me just see that. It's kind of inclined. It is like that only. So I will switch it on. You can see the grill and the light from that side, and it is now ready for the heating up. So I just keep the glass of water here, switch it here, and then there is a start button. I'm going to switch it on. So we just kept one glass of water inside. I'm going to close the lid. Then we have set as 57 minutes, and then you can seconds. Yeah, sorry. And then final output of the Samsung microwave unboxing.